Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send XRP from Ledger Nano X to Revolut in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, sending XRP securely is a must-know skill, especially if you're looking to move funds quickly and safely. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring XRP like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated. In 2025, Ledger's interface might have some new features, but the basics remain solid. Start by connecting your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Don't forget to enable the XRP app on your device. It's as simple as navigating to the app catalog and installing it. This step is crucial for secure transactions. Next, log into your Revolut account on your phone or computer. Revolut has made crypto transfers even smoother by 2025, so head to the crypto section and generate a new XRP wallet address. Copy that address carefully. It's your destination for the funds. Now, back to Ledger Live. Select your XRP account, then click on Send. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, paste in the Revolut wallet address, and double-check everything. Remember, XRP transactions are fast, but always verify the details to avoid any mishaps. In 2025, you might see enhanced security prompts, like biometric confirmation, so follow those for added protection. Hit Send, and watch the magic happen. Your ledger will ask for confirmation on the device itself. Approve it using your PIN. Transactions usually take just a few seconds, but keep an eye on fees, which could be minimal in 2025 thanks to network improvements. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to confirm the XRP has arrived. If you run into any issues, like network congestion, just wait a bit or double-check your addresses. And there you have it. You've successfully sent XRP from your Ledger Nano X to Revolut. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.